Sara Nyarangi ontita Ndizi TV mbia mwana sorobochi rwa senchera yoboi kirano umonchumuli kiribono gotikana nere Sara Nyarangi ontita kero bali bakoligie kirogo kyobo governor miye kaunti ya Kisii bagendete konyora maegerio asensemo ya ATC tukoli ya lero ni gobona chibura buru chene kiwa ase ensemeyo ekra yobona agere kogendra ni gogati yabasai baika sensemeyo abwase banyara kwe murungania asebate abuna ni gobagane tumu returning officer kenda una Mark Mango korosi nseme na koirwa asenseme ngao asabano chiburo buru chane kiwano nabo asamagacho ATC miyomu chobo songo ni gobono ba anyara go saligwa omurikito mirudi mumanyi na roboti rwa senchira yobo ikirano
chibura buru ni go chene kigwa korwa ase ensemo yabasae abo baika ase amagacho ATC omugasolero abo ase baganetie omuriturning officer Mark Mango kwerusia roro Chingaki amayegerio agendete gochia sebalie bakorigia obogavana obo woman rep amonobo senator bwa Kisii nabo busabe kiombe ekyopya chimbebe nobo choli IEBC nege korwe kyogiatiga abantu abangene chingoma chintindi asebo igo ebirore byatwa nigo ababwatani nabarai au bagikeiria engane yo bakoragwa no mugavana Kisii James Ongwae
so kubwaro kanire gaiga eso yo mobo akoreta abana bacha gwate bintu basalie bintu chombe chibire bono nduma chiachiete igere gento kyoboriri nanya koroboriri bongane bunoboyi Tande china abakani rune gavana eno na abakani ringa abande bali bakoriyo birogo byo gavana batayisa ino.
The situation which portrays the county in very bad light. We want the government, we are calling upon the national government, in fact we are calling upon His Excellency the President to understand what's going on in Kisii and to arrest a situation which is now leading to chaos, which is now leading to a situation of lawlessness, a situation which is putting all candidates, not just candidates, the voters in particular. So we fear that if this goes on any further, there will be voter apathy.
Hii ni jambo ili ya kutuhuzunisha kwa sababu tuko na security apparatus, lakini tunajua hawezi kufanya kazi kwa sababu tunasikia kuna mtu pale juu national government ana control hii mambo. Anajua kuna taharuki hapa Kisii imetoka lakini hataki kufanya kwa sababu wanapigania vitu, wanataka viti.
What we are mutilating today is not anybody's vote. It's Raila Odinga's vote has been cannibalized by some agents whom we don't know the agenda. And actually, in this regard, with the confusion in here, in fact, we did share this with Baba the 5th, and he promised us that he understands what's going on here.
Igo omorembe no botoereru wasabirwe kurwa ase abantu bonsi anene abasai chingaki obochori obonene bwabere irange ilio gutanga chibura buru buna echioko ene kigwana inde.
See, implement what is required for candidates who misbehave so that our women can be safe. Mothers are going to fear to go to the polling stations to vote, and those votes are the ones we need because we are representing mamas, so that mamas can put the right candidate in the office who's going to help them.
But this thing, if it's going to continue like this, I'm telling you, it's going to cause death. And this is a contest. It's either you win or you lose. You have to accept.
They need cases, because cases are outside there. They're going to work as returning officers in different tribes. So we call upon peaceful coexistence of various tribes at the same time, peaceful elections.
Ndizi TV, Elietariane, Mildred Momanyi.
Mildred Momanyi mbia mwana sorobochi rwa